Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today in the daily newspaper on Friday, August the 21st, 2020. On this beautiful sunshiny day we have here two regular Sudokus, a Sudoku Light and a Sudoku Heavy. Two regular Sudokus. By the way, there is also an additional in this newspaper with 6 extra Sudokus. So we have total of 8 Sudokus to solve. But first we will start with this one. This one will be number 1380. Yes, and before I start, I always count the printed numbers, so you have a kind of indication of the difficulty levels. In the additional, we have a 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, and in the Sudoku of 1 star, they have printed 27 digits in the Sudoku. 27, 2 stars 26, 3 stars 25, and 4 star Sudoku 24 printed numbers. Let me count how many numbers are printed in this Sudoku Light. We have each big square 4 numbers, so 3 times 4 will be total of 36 printed numbers. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the number 3. We have a 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes. Here 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 3 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 3. I need more information. How about the number? These 2 boxes. In the last row, the missing numbers here are the 7 and the 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So in the middle column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And now I can continue with the 3. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used, I can see. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here. Oh, there we see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so in the column next. The only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 9, here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Digit number 3. 1 number left in this column for the number, the third column for the number 6. 2 numbers left in the last column for the numbers 2 and 8. 2 and 8 in this column. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 5. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 2. 5 and 2. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in the first column for the number 2. Then a 2 in this row, a 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used, I can see. Digit number 4. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so in the column next. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Digit number 5. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 4. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in the first row for the number 4. 1 number left in the second row for the number 1. 1 number left in this big square for the number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 1. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 8, I believe, yes. Then 1 number left in this middle column for the number 1. 1 number left in this row for the number 4. 1 number left in this middle row for the number 4. 1 number left in this big square for the number 8. 1 number left in this big square for the number 6. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the number 6 and 4. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 9 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. A very quick one, so you can do that. Do you like this Sudoku? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching this great video. I will see you in a minute, yeah, with the second regular Sudoku. It will be a Sudoku heavier, so I will need more time than this one in 9 minutes. So see you later in a minute. Thank you and bye bye for now.